long-timers, it's me, Lily here. Today I'm going to be warning you about the scams. There's just a little side note that this is just my friend and I'm not actually getting scammed, so please don't report her. The first scam that we're going to be showing you is trust trading. It is very popular, but we're going to do it. Let's go right into the first scam. Please trust trade. So they always ask for trust trading, which is funny though. So then you'll end up putting in really good pets and stuff. Yep, thinking they're going to give it back. Some of them do, some of them don't. But then you accept the trade. And they'll usually leave the game or just run away with it. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to be doing the next one. So guys, as you can see, my pet wants to go to the pool party right here. So I'm going to go to the pool party with my pet, just casually, you know, casual. And by the way, the next scam is fail trading. And it's quite hard to scam somebody in this method, but it works and it's kind of cool. So yeah. Sure. And then you put in like 3 good pets. Then you put in a sandwich. Then you give them the sandwich from the backpack. And then you accept the trade. They give you it back and then they get all the pets. And they'll just either leave the game or just run away. Okay guys, so the next scam we're going to be doing is these people pretending to be poor. You know. This is actually quite a common scam. Happens a lot, but I think trust trades are probably the most common. Okay. This is a very popular one and they normally speak quite weirdly, so this is perfect acting. Holy moly. So the next scam I'm going to be warning you guys about is the neon scam, where they ask you to give you the pet and then they just take the pet and they don't make it neon. So yeah. then you end up giving them the pet, and then they just don't actually give it back, if that makes sense. But they take you to a pet area. So it looks quite realistic. What they do is they take you to here, and most people end up following them since they're worried about bad pets. If you get what I mean, guys. Ignore my name right now. And they just leave. Anyways, let's move on to the next scam. Hey guys, the next scam I'm going to be warning you about is the doubling pets scam. They say they're going to double your pet, so you give them your pet, but they don't give it back. I can double that for your only legendary. Really? Things I don't. So you give it to them and then they just either leave the game or just run away. So yeah, moving on to the next scam. So guys, for the last and final scam, that is fly and ride pets, because they'll say they're gonna make your pet fly and ride, but they just take your pet. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Cool. So you trade them, you give them a really good pet that's not fly and ride, they take it and they just leave. They either leave or run away. Most scammers either leave or run away. So that one was it. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, comment down below, adopt me scams, and then if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up. Bye guys.